In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. This quick setup adds a powerful extra layer of security to your account, making sure that even if someone learns your password, they still can't log in without your approval. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or in a web browser and signing in. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open user settings. In the menu that appears, select My Account. This is where you manage your login and security options. Scroll to the security section and click Enable Authenticator app. Discord supports time-based one-time codes which refresh every 30 seconds and are generated on a separate device, typically your phone. If you don't already have one, download an authenticator app from your device's app store. Choose a reputable option and make sure your phone's time is set correctly, ideally to automatic, so codes sync accurately. Back in Discord, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Open your authenticator app and use its option to add a new account, then scan the QR code displayed in Discord. If your app asks, allow camera access just for this purpose. Scanning the code securely links your Discord account to the app and starts generating 6-digit verification codes right away. Now take the current 6-digit code shown in your authenticator app and type it into the field in Discord. Remember, these codes expire quickly, so if the timer is close to running out, wait for the next code to appear to avoid an error. When you've entered the code, click Activate to move forward. Discord will now ask you to re-enter your account password. This final check confirms it's really you making the change. Type your password carefully, then click Confirm. If everything is correct, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your account. From this point on, whenever you sign in on a new device or after logging out, you'll enter your password first and then a fresh code from your authenticator app. Keep your phone secure, don't share your codes with anyone, and consider keeping your authenticator app backed up or synced according to the app's instructions so you can access your codes if you upgrade or replace your device. That's it. Your Discord account now has strong protection enabled. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to complete this on any other important accounts while you're thinking about it. Your future self will be glad you did.